For nearly a century, the world ran on one assumption: America wins. Its currency ruled trade, its navy guarded shipping lanes, its markets absorbed the world's savings, its consumers bought everyone else's exports. And if there was a crisis somewhere on Earth, money usually fled into the United States. That system made America look unbeatable. But here's the uncomfortable part. Even empires can lose to arithmetic. Right now, the US economy is still massive, still innovative, still powerful. But power is no longer the same thing as dominance, and the math behind that shift has been building for years. Start with debt. US federal debt has climbed past levels once considered unthinkable. Trillions borrowed during wars, recessions, pandemics, stimulus cycles, and election promises nobody wanted to cancel. Debt alone doesn't end an empire, but interest payments can. When a country begins spending enormous sums just to service old borrowing, future money gets trapped paying for the past. Roads compete with bondholders. Defense competes with lenders. Every budget becomes a hostage negotiation. Then there's demographics. America is aging. Birth rates are lower. Retirees rise faster than workers. That means more pressure on pensions, healthcare, and entitlement systems funded by a relatively smaller tax base. More promises, fewer payers. Now, zoom out globally. After World War II, the US represented an enormous share of world GDP. Today, that share is smaller, not because America vanished, but because others grew up. China industrialized, India expanded, Southeast Asia scaled, manufacturing dispersed, capital became mobile. The rest of the world stopped being scenery. And dominance depends on relative size. You can still be rich, advanced, and militarily strong while controlling less of the global pie each decade. That's the trap many people miss. Strength can rise while dominance falls. Then comes the currency question. The dollar remains king, for now, but reserve status works best when trust is high, deficits feel manageable, and alternatives look weak. If countries slowly diversify trade settlements, gold reserves, regional systems, or bilateral deals, the shift may look